Hey friends, do you know that you can install custom fonts on any iOS devices absolutely free to make your device looks more eye-catching and having fun when you type on various platforms, including emails as well as on social media. So for that reason, we will be installing a third-party app from the App Store, which is called the Buzzer Fonts, and this is absolutely free, available for both iPad and iPhone, and you can type in the search area Buzzer Fonts and you will see the search results will bring the app right on the top. Feedback is very strong, as you can see, 787 and 5-star rating, which is very rare for an app on App Store. Once the app is installed, you can move forward and you can do the rest of the process to install the fonts on your iOS device. Super easy guide and no hiccups, no installation sign up issues whatsoever. And the fonts area, as you can see, we don't have a keyboard installed at the moment, so we will be going back into the general area again by tapping on the general, and then we will go back into the fonts section, and then we will click on keyboards. And after clicking on the keyboard area, we have to add a new keyboard. As you can see on my screen, when you see these fonts, you will click on that and Buzzer Fonts will be installed on your iOS devices. That's it, the job is done. Now you can start using. The first thing you need to do is open anything, for example a search area. Click on this word icon and then you will see the options will basically give you 3 tabs, and you can click on Buzzer Fonts and your Buzzer Fonts are installed. Then if you click on the AA icon, the second one on the left hand side, then it will give you a roughly 300 fonts options which you can pick and choose from, and you can enjoy typing. And this basically works with the native app as well as with the third-party apps. That was it for today's video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. I'll see you soon with another video. Till then, take good care of yourself. Have a good day. Bye bye.